How to delete Telegram account on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Telegram account on our iPhone, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up the Telegram application. Make sure that you're signed in to the account that you want to delete. Then all you have to do is tap on the settings icon from the bottom right. Then scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called Telegram FAQ, which is Telegram frequently asked questions. So once you go to Telegram FAQ, just scroll upwards and then you'll see all this help section, right? Where under it, you have to look for your account section here. Under your account, you'll find the option called delete your Telegram account, because you can see clearly over here, we have the option called delete your Telegram account. Just search for it and then tap on it. So once you tap on delete your Telegram account, you'll be taken to this help article, where at the very top you can see how do I delete my account. You'll find if you'd like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page. So basically you have to tap on this blue link that says deactivation page. When you tap on the blue link that says deactivation page, it will take you to the page to delete your Telegram account. But first you have to confirm your number. So go ahead and simply enter the country code. Don't just enter your number directly, make sure to enter your country code. In my case, my country code is +977, so I'll go ahead and then actually enter plus, then I'll enter 977. Now I will go ahead and then enter my number. So once I've basically verified my number, I'll just tap on the next option here. It will send me a confirmation code to this number, right? So once you go ahead and then verify your number and then confirm the verification code, you'll be able to successfully delete your account after this. And that's all it takes to delete your Telegram account on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.